What a wonderful autumn day. Let's get some new autumn reference photos. Wait, but first things first, we need coffee. So good. Okay, and now we're ready for a reference photo hunt. Okay, all jokes aside, let's go. I love going to nature, and stock images are great. You can find all kinds of varieties of subjects, people, places where you maybe will never go, but when you go out you can see texture, you can smell nature, and it gives you more connection to the subject you will be painting. It's not only about the pretty picture, it's many details are involved if you want to have your painting really interesting. It's so much better than stock photos. And I'm taking all these references, doing a line drawing to each of these references and sharing with my patrons. So if you wanna paint some of these autumn references, then you need to join my Patreon channel. You can find references everywhere, even in the tiniest details. One of my suggestions when you look for a reference photo, look for something interesting. Like these holes on the sleeve, they are bug-eaten holes, and it will be very interesting on a painting. Thank you for coming along to this autumn reference hunt, and If you like this video, don't forget to like it, comment. I love to see your comments, and see you in my next video.